Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well and welcome back to Languages with Sarah. Let's learn quick Italian. If you all want to learn Italian faster, you all need to practice your Italian every day. And I post every day a video so you can practice your Italian with me every day for 5 or 2 or 3 minutes. So let's begin. Iniziamo! Our first phrase is funny. Funny in Italian is divertente. Divertente. Funny. Serious in Italian is serio. Serio. Repeat after me if you want. Funny, divertente, serious, serio, kind. Kind in Italian is gentile. Gentile. Kind. Mean. Mean in Italian is cattivo. Cattivo. Next phrase is generous. Generous in Italian is generoso. Generoso. Generous in Italian is generoso. Repeat after me if you want. Generoso. Selfish. Selfish in Italian is egoista. Egoista. Patient. Patient in Italian is paziente. Paziente. Patient. Impatient. Impatient in Italian is impaziente. You need to add im. Impaziente. Now let's move on to our next phrases. Quiet. Quiet in Italian is tranquillo. Tranquillo. Loud. Loud or noisy in Italian is rumoroso. Rumoroso. Beautiful. Beautiful in Italian is bello. Bello. Ugly. Ugly in Italian is brutto. Repeat after me if you want. Tranquillo, quiet, rumoroso, loud, bello, beautiful, ugly, brutto. If you like the video, then please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful and short videos like this. I upload every day a video, so you can practice your Italian with me every day for 5 or 2 or 3 minutes. Thank you for watching. Ciao presto.